Welcome to a new home in the heart of Blacktown. On level 4, 2 spacious bedrooms and a massive wraparound balcony with stunning views. Just a short walk to shops, station and West Point. Trust me, convenience doesn't get better than this. Whether you're a first home buyer, an investor, or a downsizer, this is your chance to secure a property that gives you a lifestyle of comfort and connectivity. Get in touch today to book your private inspection.